Welcome back. In this presentation, we will be learning about lesson number 3 Physiography and Drainage Module 4. Before proceeding for the lesson number 3 Physiography and Drainage Module 4, let's recap what we had learned in the previous modules. So far, we have studied about the physiography. Physiography is the natural physical features of the Earth's surface. India is a country of vast geographical extent with a total area of 3.28 million square kilometer and stand at 7th largest country in the world. India accounts for about 2.4% of the total land area of the world. Away from the mainland of India, the southernmost point of the country, Indira Point, lies in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. India is blessed with most diverse physical features ranging from Himalaya, deserts, plain, plateaus till low-lying coastal area. As we all know that India has a very diversified physiographical features. They are classified into the Himalayas, the North Indian Plain, the Peninsula, the Coastal Plain and the island groups. Also, we have studied about drainage system in India. Drainage describes the river system in a particular area. The drainage system consists of total area covered by tributaries and other water bodies. Also, we have studied that how does this drainage system works in India on a such large scale. On that basis, we have two divisions of drainage system in India. They are Himalayan drainage and peninsular rivers. In Himalayan drainage system, we have studied that most of the major rivers in the Himalayas originate from various glaciers. In summer, when the glaciers melt, as a result, the rivers start flowing, whereas during rainy seasons, they flow due to rainwater. Therefore, they are perennial in nature. Then we have studied about the peninsular river. This river system can further be divided into east flowing rivers meeting the Bay of Bengal and west flowing rivers meeting the Arabian Sea. Lesson number 3 Physiography and Drainage Module 4. We will concentrate on Brazil. Lesson number 3 Physiography and Drainage Module 4. We will be learning about physiographic divisions of Brazil in detail. Like India, Brazil also has 5 physiographic divisions. They are the highlands, the Great Escarpment, the coastal region, the plain and the island groups. As you all know that Brazil is the largest country located in the continent of South America that occupies half the continent's landmass. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. Brazil is the only country in South America that speaks Portuguese language. You may know that Brazil is a densely populated country from the continent of South America. Brazil is the fifth largest country in the world, so you all know that Russia is the first, followed by Canada, US, China, and then Brazil. Now, talking about the Brazil, Brazil forms an enormous triangle on the eastern side of the continent with 7,400 kilometer coastline along the Atlantic Ocean. It has borders with every South American country except Chile and Ecuador. If we talk about the Brazil physiography, like India, Brazil also has its unique and diversified physiography. The Brazilian landscape is very varied. It is most well known for its dense forest, including the Amazon, the world's largest forest in the north. But there are also dry grassland called pampas, wetland and plains region. As we all know that India has immense plateaus, mountains, plain, desert and long coastal area. Similarly, Brazil also has highlands and coastal area. So, on the basis of all unique features, physiography of Brazil can be divided into 5 divisions. So, physiographic divisions of Brazil can be the highlands, the Great Escarpment, the coastal region, the plain, and the islands. As you all know that physiographic divisions of Brazil can be divided into the highlands, the Great Escarpment, the coastal region, the plain, and the island. Now, let us learn in detail. So, here we have the first physiographic division of Brazil, that is the highland. The southern Brazil is occupied by extensive plateau. This plateau region is known by various names such as Brazilian Highlands, Brazilian Shield and Brazilian Plateau. The Brazilian highlands make up more than half of the country's landmass. It is rising to an average elevation of 1000 meters above the sea level. These highlands are characterized by tabular plateau, low mountains and hilly uplands. This highland further divides into Guiana Highland and Brazilian Highlands. Here we have map of Brazil. Guiana Highland is in the northern part, whereas Brazilian Highland is in the southern and eastern part. Brazilian and the Guiana Highland together form the core of South American continent. Let us now study in detail about Guiana Highland. The main part of the Guiana Highlands is in Venezuela and it extends up to French Guiana. In the previous slide, we have studied that the main part of the Guiana Highland is in Venezuela and it extends up to French Guiana. So, if we observe the map, we will come to know that in Brazil, it covers the state of Roraima, Para and Amapá in the north. The lower part of this highland is found in Brazil, but the highest peak of Brazil is Pico de Neblina. The height of Pico de Neblina is around 3014 meters. It lies on the border between Brazil and Venezuela. Let's take more information about Brazilian highland. Brazilian highland is located in the southern and eastern part. Brazilian highland is located in the state of Minas Gerais, Sao Paulo, Goiás and Mato Grosso. The region to the east and south of the Brazilian highlands have an altitude of more than 1000 meters, but in the other parts the altitude is between 500 to 1000 meters. The highlands gradually slope towards north and slopes are not very steep. Amazon and its tributaries flow from the northern slope. Many rapids and waterfalls are formed by Amazon and its tributaries. Rivers originating from the northern slope meet the Atlantic Ocean. Major rivers like Uruguay, Paraguay, and Parana originate from the southern slope. These rivers, such as Uruguay, Paraguay, and Parana, flow from the Brazil and enter in Argentina. If you observe the map of the Brazil highland, we'll find its slope towards the east is steep, and these steep slopes give rise to the another physiographic division of Brazil, that is Great Escarpment. Let's take more information about the Great Escarpment. The Great Escarpment occupies a very small area in Brazil. In the previous slide, we have studied that the eastern steep slope give rise to form escarpment. As we can see in the map that escarpment occupies a small area and the nature of its slope affect the climatic condition and it make a unique physiographic region in the Brazil. The Great Escarpment borders the eastern side of the Brazilian highlands. From the Sao Paulo to Porto Alegre, the height of Brazilian highlands decreases. As a result, it leading to the formation of the Great Escarpment. The altitude of the Great Escarpment to eastern side of the Brazilian highland is around 790 meters. This escarpment greatly affect to the climatic condition. So, this escarpment act as a barrier to the southeast trade winds. This lead to heavy rain in the Brazilian coastal area and it also gives rise to the rain shadow region in the northeastern part of the Brazilian highlands. Therefore, the region to the north of this area is called drought quadrilateral. Student, let's recap. Like India, Brazil also has its unique and diversified physiography features. So, this varied physiography can be divided into the highlands, the Great Escarpment, the coast, the plain, and the islands. Student, so far we have studied in lesson number 3 physiography and drainage module 4 that physiographic divisions of Brazil. Physiographic divisions of Brazil can be divided into 5 divisions. They are the highlands, the Great Escarpment, the coastal region, the plain, and the island group. So, in this module 4, we have studied about the highland and the Great Escarpment. In the highland, we have studied that the highland means the area which have higher elevation. The southern Brazil is occupied by an extensive plateau. It is differently described as Brazilian highlands, Brazilian shield or Brazilian plateau. Brazilian and the Guiana highland together form the part of South America continent. So student, please remember the highest peak of Brazil, Pico de Neblina. The height is around 3014 meter and it's lie on the border between the Brazil and Venezuela. Also, we have studied about the Great Escarpment. The Great Escarpment borders the eastern side of the Brazilian highland. The Great Escarpment occupies a very small area, but its nature of the slope greatly affects the climatic condition and it makes it a separate physiographic region. From Sao Paulo to Porto Alegre, the height of Brazilian highland decreases remarkably, leading to the formation of the Great Escarpment. This escarpment acts as a barrier, giving a lead to the formation to the rain shadow region. So students, as you all are aware, the physiographic division of Brazil can be divided into the highland, the Great Escarpment, the coastal region, the plains, and the island group. So, In this module, we have studied about the highland and the Great Escarpment. So, remaining physiographic division of Brazil such as the coastal region, the plain and the island group, we will learn in the next module. Thank you.